Hey guys, my name is Latoya and I am the creative behind Life of Law, and I'm also the creator behind Ellie Inspires on Instagram. So I hope you're following me. If you are not, make sure you stay tuned. Also make sure you hit that subscribe button because you will not want to miss out on these amazing DIYs that I have coming up for you. Thank you so much for joining me today on my channel. I am an interior designer and I really pride myself on being able to share quick DIYs that are also gorgeous and functional with you guys. So today, you are in for a treat. I am actually going to show you how to make these beautiful DIY Pottery Barn inspired napkin rings. These are gorgeous, and believe me, once you learn how to do this, you will not be going out to the store and purchasing them for $5 a piece. So let's get started. The pieces that you're going to need for this project are simple. You're going to need a pair of needle nose pliers. I can't find mine today, so we're going to rock it with these. You're also going to need any type of buttons that you guys like. I like the ones that are a little bit more blingy, so I like the ones that are rhinestone. You also are going to look for some 10mm jump rings, and then you're going to look for a small pack of the assorted jump rings. And so I'm going to give you a closer view of what those look like. Now for the fun part, let's get started. And when you pick out your buttons, like I said, from whatever place you go to, it can be Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Walmart, Amazon, whatever it may be, you want to make sure that whatever buttons you purchase actually have a hole in the back that you can actually sew through, because that's what you're going to use to actually hold together your napkin rings that you're making. Okay, so you're going to take one of the large size of the assorted pack jump rings. As I described before, comes in small, medium, and large. And so we're going to use the large. Believe me, you'll thank me later. And what you're going to do is grab one of those and just take your needle nose pliers, and you're going to actually open that a little bit. So in the end, you'll have something that looks like this. And if you can't see it, I'll insert a picture here. Okay, then you're going to take your 10mm jump ring, which is a lot larger. It kind of looks similar to what you would actually see on a keychain. And you're going to get your button, and you're going to actually hook this jump ring through the back. And you can have something similar to this right here. Okay? Then you're going to take the 10mm jump ring, and you are going to use that and hook it through that same opening. So you're going to have something that looks like this. And while you're trying to get your life together like I am, you want to hold all the pieces together and then grab your needle nose pliers. Again, you guys, I try to find my needle nose pliers, but people always misplace stuff in my house. I don't know why. I feel like they kind of do it on purpose, but you know, there's always hateration in the dancery. Okay, so you're gonna actually just close it, and of course, things look a lot easier, or they seem a lot easier when you're not on camera doing them. So I'm having a whole moment over here, which I'm sure you'll probably be doing the same, or maybe you'll be better than me, you know, putting these together when you do them at your home. All right, and then in the end, you're gonna end up with something like this. So you're gonna have your button that you chose, the small jump ring, and your large jump ring, and it's gonna look like this. Then you're gonna take your napkin ring, whatever napkin of your choice, and then you're just gonna actually slide that on. So we have small napkins, and then we have large napkins as well. So this is what the end result is gonna look like. Again, you guys, you have several options. You don't have to necessarily do what I've done here. You don't have to necessarily do what I've shown you here. You could use hot glue. You could solder the pieces together. You could do something similar. So it really just depends on what you want. For me, I kind of like the idea of having something like this, and I kind of also like the idea of not really having to worry about the technique that's required in soldering pieces together and all the protective gear and everything else that goes along with that. I do also have another piece here that kind of shows you what it looks like if you solder the pieces together. It is more of a lasting effect that you have, and you don't necessarily have to worry about it. But of course, again, when that piece breaks off, you kind of are just left with something that's in two pieces that you can't fix unless you solder it back together. Whereas with something like this, if it breaks, you can just use one of the many jump rings that you have in this 250 pack and replace it. So thank you so much for watching this DIY video. I hope you have enjoyed me teaching you how to make these DIY Pottery Barn inspired napkin rings. And I also hope that you will Stay tuned for more DIYs in the future. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and actually don't forget to make sure you also hit the bell so you can be notified for new posts that come up, because I got some stuff coming for ya. Me teaching you how to make these Pottery Barn inspired. I hope you have enjoyed me teaching you how to make these Pottery Barn inspired DIY napkin ring. Oh my gosh, what's happening here? I hope you have enjoyed me teaching you how to make these DIY to form. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, I don't know what's happening here. Thanks again. As always, thank you so much for watching, and you can follow me on any of my social medias at Ellie Inspires. If you like videos like these, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you have any comments or questions, pop them down below, and until next time, be inspired.